Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Christmas decoration, and this is going to be one of those baubles that can hang on your Christmas tree. And this is the little kind of silver bit that goes around the top, and then you're going to want to have kind of a thin, that's that really kind of thin bit of wire which comes around in a loop, but then you're going to want to have it sort of like that. So it's two curves, two curves that way, two curves that way, with a little bit on the top. And then we're going to want to have a piece of string kind of holding the whole thing together, and that it can hang from. And then what we might do is have these lines here quite close and then getting further and further apart, and the same here, and I'm going to make them go on the top there like that. Now comes the tricky bit. So we want to have branch straight out like that, and then it's going to come down, and then it comes down into a kind of a little blob at the end. So this is made out of glass, and it's kind of blown glass, and this is kind of the little bloop at the end. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to do a kind of a slightly broken line across there. So this is like it's kind of sprayed on in that white snow kind of look. And then I'm going to do this kind of sine curve shape like that. Roller coaster, maybe you could say. And I'm going to do these little stars, two across like that and two across like that, two and two, and here we just do a couple sort of showing on that way. And I think we're going to get a bit of reflection on there, and I'm going to add some shadow, and this is just going to kind of follow all the way around like that, and well, then we'll just kind of fade out there and maybe a bit around the bottom. So when it comes to colouring in, then watercolour is my favourite, and what I'm going to do is just going to paint around there like that. And you can do this in crayons or coloured pencils or whatever you like to use. And then I'm going to get a slightly darker colour and kind of put it around where I put that bit of shading before, and then that will just kind of go down there like that. And then because that's kind of metal there, we could have a little bit of blue there, and again we can have a little bit of red for that. And there you go, how to draw a Christmas decoration.